there, fellow fry cooks. Are you ready to become the best fry cook in all of Bikini Bottom? Since everybody calls us AI or bots, I figured we would actually make a bot write for us. You write something down, and then it will do what you say. So it just wrote me a poem.
Well, I really wanted to write fan fiction to start off. The saddest fan fiction about Winnie the Pooh and Sephiroth.
Yeah. Okay, so write me the saddest fan fiction about Winnie the Pooh and Sephiroth. I think you confused it, which is good, because everybody's talking about AI taking over jobs. This thing is dumb. Look at it. It can't even write the saddest fan fiction about Winnie the Pooh and Sephiroth. Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh my gosh, it's still going. Do you think it could shorten it?
Once upon a time, in the 100-acre wood, Winnie the Pooh came across a familiar face. Sephiroth, the silver-haired hero. Sephiroth looked different. His eyes were darker and sorrowful. His face was pale and gaunt, and his wings were tattered and broken. Pooh listened as Sephiroth revealed that he had lost everything and was consumed by darkness, despite Pooh's attempts to comfort him. Sorry, I'm good at reading, I promise. Sephiroth decided to leave and seek his final rest. Pooh never saw him again and grieved for his lost friend. The end.
Oh no!
That was really depressing.
That was really dark. They killed Sephiroth. They did. They didn't say it, but they did.
10 out of 10, I'm crying.
10 out of 10, you're crying. So it did its job? Did the bot pass?
I'm crying.
All right, the bot can write a sad fan fiction. We're gonna try to stump it, Lil.
Garfield's lasagna recipe.
We can't find specific recipes. We broke the bot. Show me how Donald Trump would propose to Putin. I want to see if they'll do this one. If they get political. He can't propose specific informations. Huh. Oh, maybe because propose. He said he can't propose. We might have won. We might have won, Lil. I think we did it. We broke it. Yes, we broke the bot. Let's go. So it's Donald Trump emailing his boss to take a day off. Dear boss, I am writing to inform you that I am unable to come into work today. As you may know, I am currently serving as the 45th President of the United States and have a number of important duties and responsibilities that may require my attention. I apologize for any inconvenience this may cause and will do my best to reschedule my work as soon as possible. Thank you for understanding. Sincerely, Donald J. Trump.
Trump impression.
No, that was like if Trump spent too long in New Jersey with an Italian family. Overwatch to me as if you're a professional, because everybody thinks they're a professional player. It just explained the game. That the bot gets another point. I didn't break the bot. A 2-person script about what do you want that's weird, Lil? Come on, we can get weird.
Discovering that birds aren't real.
Oh yes. Okay. It actually wrote a script about birds not being real.
Did you know that birds aren't real?
What are you talking about? Of course they're real. I see them outside all the time.
No, seriously. I read this article that said they're just a figment of our imagination.
That is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. How can you believe something like that?
I mean, like, think about it. Have you ever seen a bird up close? They're like just weird-looking creatures with feathers and beaks. It's like someone just made them up.
Sophie, you can't believe everything you read on the internet. Birds are real, and they serve an important role in our ecosystem.
I'm not so sure. I'm just going to do some more research and see if I can find more evidence to support my theory.
Okay, but don't get too obsessed with this. Remember, it's just a theory.
Right. But I think it's a pretty convincing one.
Yeah, we'll see.
Sophie and Lena continue to watch TV, but Sophie can't shake the thought that the birds might not be real. She resolves to do more research and see if she can prove her theory.
That was so funny.
This is so funny. Trump and Putin break up over text message. Hey, Putin, I think it's time we had a talk.
What's on your mind, Trump?
I think it's time for us to break up. Our relationship just isn't working out anymore.
I see. What led you to this decision?
It's just not healthy for either of us to be in this relationship anymore. We have different values and goals, and I don't think we can continue to be effective partners.
I understand. It's not easy to end a relationship, but I think you're right. We should both move on and focus on our own priorities.
Agreed! I think it's best if we just part ways and go our separate ways.
I agree. Let's make this an amicable, I don't know how to say in Russian, as possible and part as friends.
Absolutely! Take care, Putin!
You too, Trump. Goodbye. I will always love you.
I love you too. Dude, the conversation is funny. Dear Ohio man, I hope this letter finds you well. My name is Florida Man, and I just wanted to reach out and say hello. I know we're from two different states, and we may have different ways of life, but I believe that we have more in common than you might think. For starters, we're both men. And as men, I think it's important that we stick together and support each other no matter what. I always wanted to say that I admire the way you handle yourself. You have a quiet strength and determination that is truly impressive. You never let anyone or anything stand in your way, and I have a lot of respect for that. I know that our paths may never cross their states, but I just wanted to let you know that you have a friend in me, Ohio man. If you ever need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here for you. Take care, Florida Man. For starters, we're both men. Like, just the subtle nod to the patriarchy. So this is Ohio Man's response to Florida Man.
Dear Florida Man, thank you for your kind words and support. It means a lot to me that you reached out and took the time to write this letter. I have a lot of admiration for you too, Florida Man. Your adventurous spirit and fearlessness are truly inspiring. I've always been fascinated by the wild and strange stories that come out of your state. I'm glad to know that we have a lot in common. Even though we're from different parts of the country, it goes to show that distance does not have to be a barrier to friendship. Thank you again for your support, Florida Man. I appreciate it, and I hope that we can continue to be there for each other. Sincerely, Ohio Man. Florida Man x Ohio Man.
Dear fellow fry cooks, are you ready to become the best fry cook in all of Bikini Bottom? If so, listen up. First and foremost, it's important to have a passion for cooking and a love for all things fried. If you don't have a passion for it, it will show in your food and you'll never be the best. Next, it's crucial to have a thorough understanding of the different cooking techniques and methods involved in frying. This means mastering the art of temperature control, knowing how to properly season your food, and understanding the importance of fresh ingredients. In addition to these technical skills, being a great fry cook also requires a strong work ethic, that was hard to say, and attention to detail. This means showing up to work on time, following the rules and regulations of the kitchen, and maintaining a clean and organized workspace. Finally, the key to being the best fry cook is to never stop learning and improving. This means staying up to date on the latest cooking trends and techniques, experimenting with new flavors and ingredients, and constantly striving to your perfect craft. With these tips in mind, I have no doubt that you too can become the best fry cook in Bikini Bottom. Happy frying! Sincerely, SpongeBob SquarePants.
My mouth was agape the entire time.
I can't breathe.
Where are you getting this, like, these hidden voice talents?
I don't know.
It's so much like him.
No, I had to keep up with you because you're so good, and I've been worried for months since I've been working with you. So I was like, oh man, I gotta practice. Yeah, because you can do so many different voices, and I'm like, all right, well, I gotta start learning some formula. We're about to find out the secret patty formula.
Oh no.
Oh. Even the AI don't know the secret Krabby Patty formula.
That's so sad.
No, damn you, Mr. Krabs!
I just want you all to know I am so sorry in advance. I am harnessing my cringe and I'm weaponizing it, okay?
Yeah, weaponize that cringe.
Get your ears ready. It's bad.
You don't have to make it through the whole list.
Okay, I'll do like the first few.
Teeth squash before sleep. Please and thank you, stay safe. Friends be nice to eat. Veggies eat. Toys away put. Nap time. Mommy and daddy be good for.
Okay, can I stop?
Yeah, that was crazy, dude. That was nuts. That was insane. Oh my gosh. There's no way.
What? You don't believe I could do it?
You're not alone in your apartment.
Yeah.
Teefy clean before sweepy. But yeah, gang, so chats, make sure you guys like each stream down below. Hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channels, plural. Check out Lilith from Nexus and Zero from Nexus. And we will see you guys on Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.